Welcome back everyone. To create a table using the graphical interface here, come here to Tables, right click and select Create Table. And you will have this graphical interface. Here, the table name, you can give any name, let's say employee. And here, you may leave this default if you want to. And here we can start adding our columns. So, we'll call it employee ID. And the data type by default is integer. Here you can click on this icon to change the type. And as you see here, we got many types of data. So we can select the one that we need, and we're going to keep it integer because we want it integer. And here we got the option to give a specific configuration to this column. If you click on PK, that means there's going to be a primary key and it's clicked by default. And NN means not null, and it's already clicked. I will leave it because I want it to be not null. UK means unique, so we can select it if you want to. These are the most important stuff. We are going to learn about the others when we need to do that in the next lectures or tutorials. So this is the first one. If you want to add another one, you may click here below and you can add the second column here. So let's say employee name, and this is by default is variable character 45. Click on it to change this value from 45, for example, to something else like 255. And be sure to type this in between two parentheses, 255, close the parentheses. Here also, you may choose whatever you want based on your business scenario. We cannot select other primary key. We have only one primary key. And so on. You may click on this one here to add another column and so on. So let's just add another one here, the third one. Let's call it date of birth. And in this case, we need to make this data type date. So select date here and also make this not null. We just need here to click on apply to create the table. If you don't want to see this message every time, you just need to click on this. Don't show this message again. Click on OK. And now you can see here the syntax has been typed for you. That's exactly what you did. You used the graphical interface to type the script, as we did when we created the table using the SQL. You just need here to click on apply, finish. That's it. Apply change to employee. So you can see here the employee table has been created for you. Click on it, click on columns, and here we go. We got all the columns in the table. As simple as that. If you are done with this window, you may close it from here, and that's it.